Hello, welcome back to Heat Hacks. This is part 2 for the steps to check when turning on an underfloor heating system after summer, before the cooler months, looking at the wiring center, the pump, and then the flow meters. Next thing to check after the thermostat is to come to the wiring center and check that you're getting your zone light coming on for that thermostat. You'll then have your valve light coming on, and you'll then have, after a 3-minute delay, the boiler and the pump lights will come on. You'll then come down to your pump and check that the lighting is on there, and check that the pump is working. There is a common issue where a pump has been off for a while, there's air in the system and you'll hear popping noises, and we've got another video on how to explain to remove the air from the system. And then the last thing to check is that you're getting flow on your flow meters. 0 flow at the top, 5 at the bottom. It'll be somewhere in the middle. You can adjust this with the thumb cap on the top to your desired flow level. The mucky water can get inside of these and they can actually be unscrewed and cleaned, or if you're struggling to see it, you can put your phone light behind to read the level of flow. Thanks for watching this episode of Heat Hacks. Do make sure that you go on our website and check out our support email and phone number, our details. You can even WhatsApp us or raise a ticket.